Good morning, everyone. I'm Eddie Casil from 5th grade.
And I'm Madison Fuqueta from 4th grade.
Welcome back to another exciting year of school. We hope you had a fun-filled summer and are looking forward to the school year ahead.
Speaking of new school year, this year's motto will be a new beginning.
The past few years have been a little different and challenging at times, but this school year we're ready to start fresh, and we hope you are too.
Now here's our principal, Ms. Druetta, with a special message.
Whoa. Good morning, Mai. All right, we gotta wake up. One more time. Good morning, Mai. Oh, it's so nice to hear that. I know the teachers don't like it, but it's so nice. Let's wake the teachers up one more time. Good morning, Mai. So like the two students over here said, this year our saying is a new beginning. Can we say that? 1, 2, 3, a new. Good. And like they said, after a couple years of COVID, things were a little different. We had a lot of restrictions, but this year we're starting all over again. We'll start this year with a few introductions and a few new people, and we also have some people that left us that we want to say thank you to also. So again, one more time, a new what? All right, let's have a good year.
Next, we have Jackson and Reese from 4th grade who will be sharing their Aloha message for Mr. Nakata. Mr. Nakata, please come to the front.
Dear Mr. Nakata, thank you for always being the best vice principal by making us laugh and making our school a better place. I miss the times when we did trivia and the times when me and my friends used to talk about baseball stuff with you. I wish you a good time at your new school. Thank you for everything.
Mr. Nakata, thank you for all you have done for my You brought joy to all of our students here. I wish we could have you for another year. I hope you have a good time at your new school. Love, Reese.
Mahalo to both of you for all you've done for our school. We will miss you.
Now let's welcome our Vice Principal, Miss Kim, for a few closing remarks.
Hey, good morning, boys and girls. It's so good to be back here, and just hearing those words is just brings a smile to my face. I do miss every single one of you. Staff, I miss you guys as well. Yes, I'm at a different school. That's kind of where I used to teach, so it's kind of where I wanted to be. Yeah, I do see some former Maya students at my school. I'm at Moanalua Middle School, so it's kind of good to see them. But I did enjoy all my years here working with you guys, and I know the boys were talking about trivia and all of that, so I think it's kind of appropriate for me to end with one last trivia question. Okay? So, let's see. Bottlenose, spotted, and spinner are all types of what marine mammal? Correct. Dolphins. And that's what you guys are, right? So awesome. Have a great year. Hopefully I'll see you guys. I know I saw someone at Windward Mall last night, but I'll see you guys around. Have a great year.
Good morning, boys and girls. Thank you for remembering my name. Many of you said so. Again, I'll try one more time. Good morning, boys and girls. Thank you. Yes, I am Mrs. Kim, your new vice principal. And you know what? I will try to come up with some fun trivia questions too, just like Mr. Nakata. All right. Well, first of all, wow. And I wanted to say that I'm very proud and happy to be your vice principal. And here is the reason why. Look at the way how you're sitting nice and tall, crisscross applesauce, looking at the speaker, looking at Mrs. Kim. Awesome. I am so proud to be here as your vice principal because we have wonderful students and teachers and staff at Ma'emae Elementary School. You know, I always say my number one job is to make sure that you're all happy and you're safe at school so that we can all learn. And you know, boys and girls, to be safe and happy, you know, we have what I would like to see, continue seeing, and I've seen this the past couple of weeks, is practicing our Ohana values, right? Kalo, K-A-L-O. So, K, everybody say kuleana. I have been watching, seeing, I hear responsible behaviors. You are responsible for not only yourselves, but each other too. When your friend or your next door neighbor is not being responsible, just tap on them and remind them. Because everybody needs to be reminded once in a while. And then everybody say aloha. A is for aloha. Show that we care, we're kind, respectful. Right now, you are showing me aloha behaviors. Your voices are turned off. You're listening to me with your eyes, ears, and heart. You are being very respectful. And everybody, laulima. Working together, helping each other. You know, I saw that yesterday in the cafeteria, well, during lunchtime. When things were flying around because it can be windy out here, I saw students helping each other, picking up trash, even if it's not yours. That's what we do at Ma'emae School. And last but not least, onipa'a. Everybody say onipa'a. You know, onipa'a for me has many meanings, but I see it as like you believe in yourselves, in each other. You know what is right and what is wrong. So even if somebody's telling you to do something that's not right, you believe in yourself, you know what is right, and you go forward with that. Make the right choice for the right reasons. And you know, I really believe and I know that when you practice these behaviors, these values, then everybody will be safe and everybody will be what? Happy. Okay? I will be frequently visiting your classrooms. That's what I love to do, to make sure that everybody is happy and safe. And I also want to listen to you, students, because this is your school. This is our school. So I want to be listening to you to see how we can make Ma'emae Elementary School even better. So everyone, thank you very much, and let's have a great school year.
Thank you, Mrs. Kim. Now, here are fifth graders Ailey, Kiki, and Kohai, who will be singing Bright.
Sometimes I think I'm falling down. I wanna cry. I'm calling out for one more try to feel alive. And when I feel lost and alone, I know that I can make it home, fight through the dark and find the spark. Life is a risk, but I will take lost and alone, I know that I can make it home, fight through the dark, and find the spark and rise through the night. You and I, we will fight to shine together, light forever, and rise through the night. You and I, we will fight to shine together, light forever.
Wow, what an amazing performance. Thank you. They will now be leading us in our singing our school song.
Underneath the shady monkey path, happy children work and play. In our hearts we'll always be, not to fear, oh my, it's your hands you'll always be. Our school's so very easy. It's your hands you'll always be. Our school's so very
Thank you for joining us this morning for our welcome assembly. We hope you have a wonderful school year.
You may now return to your classes. Aloha.